Hi everybody, it's Christina and thank you for joining me. So, using the blanks from the Butterfly Blossoms card creator pack, we're going to make 2 easel cards. So for this one I've used just the white card. I've used one of the designs from the pack and I've folded it in half. So I'll show you on this one what I've done. So taking one of the designs, I've folded this in half. And that's now going to sit on the front there. But to complete this, I need another piece that will fill the top there. So I've taken one of the blank pieces and I've cut it in half. I've covered it in paper and I've used one of the filigree ones just to add some pattern to the card. And that's going to be added to the front of the easel to create this pattern. And then when it's folded, it will still have the butterfly on the front. So let's just add some glue along this piece and add this one into the bottom. So there are my 2 easel cards done. Now the piece that was left from the front of this, I'm just going to add to the inside of the card. And for this one, I'm going to add some paper in there and I'm going to trace around it so that I can then cut that out to fill the front of my design. So I've got my 2 pieces cut out. Now just to make sure that there are no white pieces showing, I'm just going to go around the edge with some inks. So having cut around this and inked the edges, I'm going to glue that in place. And I've also got a pink filigree one to fasten to the top. So I'm going to glue those in and then I'll come back to you. So once I have these wings in place, I'm just going to take something round and I'm just going to curl the wings around it. And that will just give them a little bit of shape and make it look as if they're just fluttering on by. There we go. So now we need something inside there to make these stand and not fall down. So for the sentiments, I've taken a pink one and a white one and I've added it to some card. And then to build these up into stops, I've added them to some coloured card strips and just cut them down. So you can add these to as many card strips as you like, to the depth that you want, and we'll just trim those down, ready to add to our cards. Now once they're put into place, they will hold the bottom of that card there and it won't be able to close. So to complete the stop for this one, I've taken some of the leftover paper and I've glued my strip to this, and I'm now going to add this to the inside of my card. And I'll do the same with the pink one, with some leftover pink card, and I'll add that to the inside of my card. Now to decorate these, from the paper pack I've taken some of the pink paper with the silver butterflies on it, and I'm going to cut some out and I'm going to add these to the wings of my filigree one. Now if you just bend the wings up on this, but leave yourself a little bit of space for the body line and just add some glue along that body line. And then all you need to do is just add them to the wings of your original frame. And we'll put the little one in there. There we go. Now because those wings are bent up, they will look as if they're fluttering onto the card. The wings underneath have got a shape in them, and so there you have a card now that's really dimensional. Now into each of these body lines I'm going to add 3 small pearls, and these are self-adhesive, so they just slot into place on there. And then on this one I'm going to add some flowers. So I've got some long rose stems that will go up there towards the antenna, and then I've got some more roses that will come down the middle of our butterfly. So I'm going to hot glue these in place, and then we'll see what else we need to add to them. So onto my flowers, I'm just going to dot some glue, and this glue will dry clear and it will dry flat. And then on top of this we'll just add in some glitter, and then once the glue has dried, all you will have then is the beautiful glitter on your flowers. So just tap off the excess, and once that's dry you can brush away any extra glitter that's left and it will be beautiful. So from the sentiment pack I've taken an extra sentiment, and that one says butterfly kisses, and I'm going to add that to the wing. And this one says sending happy thoughts, and that's going to sit along the bottom there. So there are my 2 cards made into easel cards. Very easily, very pretty. I've used the Butterfly Blossoms Card Creator Collection that's now available at CraftStash. So I do hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have, please join me on the next one. And why not subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, then you'll always be aware when I add a new video. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.